Solving Redbubble phone number verification issues is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here for Redbubble. Now click to open its site. Once you get into its site, by tapping on your profile icon from the top bar and click on Account Settings from here. Now from Account Settings, tap on Edit Payment Details. Then scroll down to Phone Number and tap to select the country. Now enter your phone number and click to Send Code. If you're having any issues entering your number, simply scroll down and tap on Contact Us. Then tap on Contact Support Now. Now you can search about your problem as I cannot add my phone number and tap to search for it. Then you can see the results of your search. Now tap to submit a request from here. Describe your problem as, "Hey, I cannot add my phone number in the payment details." Their support team will describe the process to get rid of this problem. If it's still not helpful, then send a no in your response. They will provide more ways to solve the problem, but select the option No until it provides you with a suitable fix.